Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume. A lot of volume, well above average, and a very interesting pattern here going into next week. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but I'm sure if you have, you've seen stocks where, yeah, they get beat down, and then it's just something like this the remainder of the day. Just down and down it goes the entire day long. And yeah, this one got beat down, but it did finally start to show some signs of strength by pushing to the upside. Now, don't get me wrong, and I'm not saying, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because this thing got beat down and then started to show some upward signs does not mean that for sure this is the bottom and that for sure this thing's going to keep on bouncing. My point is, it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that maybe this is some sort of bottom. Case in point again, if the price was just going down like this and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be some sort of bottom, you'd be totally justified to say, based on what? What are you talking about? But in this situation, but that's not the case, right? In this situation, the price is actually just going sideways. So again, does that mean it's for sure the bottom? No. Is it at least a valid and rational thought to have? Absolutely. And that is also why this area here, very important going forward, right here at $2.90. Because if this is the bottom, well, then it needs to stop going down and be the bottom. And, I'm defining, the bottom is $2.90. So as long as the price stays above there, then it's a rational thought to have that, maybe the bulls are finally absorbing the selling pressure and are going to make another attempt back to the upside. So on that note, if the price does make an attempt back to the upside, let's talk about some areas of resistance. So red for resistance here. And the first key level, if there is any sort of attempted move back upside, is going to be right here at the 305 mark. And if the price can get above there, next key overarching level after that, we have the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued up there at $3.32. So I know I'll be watching this one next week. Very interesting. And like I said, this price range, and especially when stocks get beat down this much, there can be some very dynamic movements. So we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.